Welcome back to the Live and Learn podcast, where we navigate the complex seas of our professional lives. I'm Katy, Caroan, here to share, reflect and grow with you. Today's episode, titled The Comparison, delves into a territory we've all wandered into at some point. Psychology tells us that comparison is a basic human instinct. It's hardwired into our brains, a relic of our evolutionary past, where sizing up the competition was crucial to survival. But in today's world, especially in our professional lives, this instinct can lead us down a path of constant dissatisfaction. Picture this, I'm scrolling through LinkedIn, and there it is, a post from a colleague shining with success. They have the latest tools, they're working on a high-profile project, and everything about their professional presence screams success. And there's me in my own corner, wrestling with the same tools, wondering why I'm not at that level yet. It's the comparison trap, looking at others and seeing all the ways we seemingly don't measure up. This is where our insecurities find fertile ground. We begin to question our worth based on someone else's highlight reel. But here's the thing, that reel isn't the full story. It's a curated snapshot, not the behind-the-scenes reality of hard work, failures and, yes, the same insecurities we all face. Falling into this comparison trap is a common experience, yet knowing this makes it more challenging. It's a cycle that feeds into our insecurities, making us feel like we're always a step behind, always catching up. Now it's time to break that cycle. How do we step out of this shadow? Well, no surprise, it starts with unlearning. First, by recognizing that each of us has a unique blend of skills and experiences. What I have, my journey, my insights, they are uniquely mine, and yours are uniquely yours. Second, remember that success isn't a one-size-fits-all. It's not just about money or titles. It's about impact or fulfillment and carving out your own definition of what it means to thrive. And third, look at gratitude. When we start focusing on what we have rather than what we lack, our whole perspective shifts. Gratitude turns what we have into enough and more. So here's a challenge for you. The next time you catch yourself playing the comparison game, pause. Ask yourself, what are the 3 things unique to my journey that I'm grateful for? Flip the script of comparison to one of appreciation. Remember, your value isn't diminished by someone else's spotlight. Shine in your own way. Until next time, keep challenging the norms, keep embracing your unique journey, and as always, stay true to your own path. This is Katy Caroan from the Live and Learn podcast, saying goodbye for now, but not without reminding you to celebrate your victories, big and small. Until next time, happy unlearning.